Question 14. Alice deposited $600 in a new savings account at KeyBank. No other deposits or withdrawals were made. After 2 years, the interest was compounded at an annual interest rate of 3.5%. How much simple interest did her money earn? Number 15. Madison earned $200 in simple interest in 6 months at an annual interest rate of 5.5%. What was the amount of money she invested? DeLorean purchases a digital camera for $379.99, where the sales tax rate is 8.75%. What is the sales tax? Number 17. Marshall purchased a $395.99 filing system, $88.99 office supplies, and an office chair for $106.95. A. What is the total selling price? B. What is the total sales tax if he lives in New Orleans, Louisiana, where the sales tax is 4% and the city tax is 4%? Number 18. Trayvon wants to purchase a sports drink. Which is the better buy, a 64-ounce bottle that costs $2.77 or a 32-ounce bottle that costs $1.87? Number 19. Aaliyah purchased a half gallon of ice cream for $4.69. She had a store coupon for $1. What is the final price of that ice cream? Number 20. A bookstore has paperback books marked down 25%. What is the total markdown on 4 books that regularly sell for $8.95, $9.55, $6.85, and $12.95? Number 21. What is the new balance for the credit statement shown below? Number 22. Rosie Lane has a charge account at the Cosmopolitan Department Store, where the periodic rate is 1.58%. Using the unpaid balance method, complete the account statement below. Number 23. Sue and Bill want to remodel the dining room in their home. The estimated cost for the job is $6,890. They pay 30% of the cost up front and finance the rest at 12% APR for 4 years. A. What is the down payment? B. What is the amount financed? And C. What is the total finance charge? Number 24. Paige is interested in an SUV that has a $31,145 base price. Factory installed options include folding rear seats, $325, front leather trim split bench seat, $425, the sports package, which is $690, the tow package, which is $650, engine block heater, which is $85, and an optional 4-wheel drive, which is $950. The destination charge from its assembly plant in Michigan is $852. What is the SUV's sticker price? Number 25. Eris is purchasing a car with a $29,375 base price, $4,200 in options total, and $840 destination charge. The dealer's costs are 91.7% of the base price and 83.3% of the options price. What is the dealer's cost? Number 26. Use the chart to find the average retail value. Kenny is looking at a 4-year-old V8 four-door sedan that has 80,575 miles. It also has a DVD player, power mirrors, leather seats, front bucket seats, and a power sunroof. Number 27. Shayla leased an SUV by making a $2,295 deposit and agreeing to 39 payments of $421.38. She also paid a $160 title fee and a $271 license fee. Find the total lease cost. Number 28. Place the insurance name next to each definition. This is when you pay a certain amount before the insurance company pays. Pay for damage to the insured vehicle from losses due to fire, vandalism, theft, etc. And this provides a financial protection to the policyholder against claims for bodily injury and property damage as a result of an accident.